Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we will understand op-amp voltage to current converter, right? We will see the application of op-amp voltage to current converter. All right. So this is the basic circuit of op-amp voltage to current converter. It is having floating load, that is why it is called floating load op-amp voltage to current converter. Okay, so let us understand the the working of this circuit. So this is operational amplifier, and the output of this operational amplifier is connected via feedback resistance RF, which is connected to the inverting terminal. Okay, and this is resistance R1, which is connected to the ground, and this is non-inverting terminal, which is having some input voltage, right? This is some input voltage V in. So due to virtual ground, you already know that voltage at non-inverting terminal would going to be same as voltage at inverting terminal. So this V in appears here at this node. All right. So this V in appears at this node. Okay. Let us assume current flowing in this loop is IL, and current flowing through this loop is II. You can say input current. And let us neglect the current flowing through the current flowing at inverting terminal, and let us neglect the offset voltage of this operational amplifier. So if you want to find out the II, what will be? II would be the voltage at this node, V in, minus the voltage at this node. I think it is 0, divided by R1. So I would be V in divided by R1. So since there is no current flowing at inverting terminal, so here the current would be 0. So whatever is II, the same current would be IL, right? So IL equals to II, and that would equal to V in divided by R1. So now you you see that you had voltage source as an input, and now this voltage is converted in the form of current. So what is the load current? IL equals to V in divided by R1. So this load current depend upon this input voltage and this resistance R1. So there is no load connected here, so it is called floating load. Okay. So hope you understand the concept of voltage to current converter. Now let us see the application of voltage to current converter. So the voltage to current converter is used for Zener diode tester. It is also used for testing the LEDs. It is also used for diode testing, and it is used in low voltage AC and DC voltmeters. So hope you understand how do we convert voltage to current by using operational amplifier, and what all are the application of voltage to current converter. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.